So let's talk about the alternative three-way variance na ina-abbreviate ko as SCE, no? So that stands for spending capacity and efficiency variance. So the total overhead variance may be broken down into the spending variance na na-discuss ko na kanina, idle capacity variance na na-discuss ko na rin kanina doon sa nauna pang video, at yung bago dito na hindi naman talaga totally bago, no? Efficiency variance, no? So the efficiency variance is the combination of fixed and variable efficiency variances. Na-discuss ko na rin kanina to, yung fixed and variable efficiency variances. So totally hindi na to bago. So this measures the efficiency in using input, cost drivers, resources in producing the actual output, no? So halos kagaya din siya nung kagaya din siya nung diniscuss ko kanina, pero this time, no, ang magiging i-analyze natin ay yung epekto niya combined sa fixed and variable overhead. So let's apply it dun sa ating problem, no? So ang efficiency variance, ang formula niya is the standard input allowed on actual output less the actual input used. So ito na naman, efficiency nga no? So pag titingnan magkano ba dapat or ilan ba dapat yung hours na nagamit, gaano ba dapat karaming input or resources ang dapat na nagamit versus dun sa nagamit mo actually, no? Kaya nga efficiency. Then multiply that to the overhead rate per input. If standard is more than actual, then the variance is favorable. Otherwise, the variance is unfavorable. So again, bakit ganon? Unahin natin yung unang bullet. Pag mas mataas yung standard kaysa sa actual, no? Ibig sabihin, mas konti yung input na nagamit mo, mas efficient ka, kaya favorable. Kung yung actual naman ang mas mataas sa standard, ibig sabihin, maaksaya ka, mabagal ka, no? Hindi ka efficient, kaya red, unfavorable. Applying it to our problem. Actual assembly hours work is 411, no? Given yan. Standard hours allowed on actual output, nag-produce tayo ng 216, times ang standard ay 2 hours of assembly time per unit, so multiply. Kaya ang dapat na nagamit na hours is 432, difference is 21. Dito pa lang kaya na nating masabi kung favorable or unfavorable to. Actual, 411. Dapat na nagamit, 432. Mas mabilis ka, kaya green or favorable variance to. So the difference of 21 multiply to the standard overhead rate per hour, no? Pagsasamahin na natin yung fixed and variable. Yung variable per hour na 30 given. Yung fixed, medyo kukumputin natin. Gagawin natin yung budgeted fixed overhead, 19,200, i-divide mo sa budgeted number of hours, no? Ilan ba yung hours na binadgetan? So, ang solution doon, nag-budget ka for 200 units, given yung 200, i-convert mo lang sa hours. So, times 2, kasi ngayon yung standard per unit. So, 400. So, the standard overhead rate per hour, magkasamang fixed at variable, 78. Multiply that to 21, that will give you the green or favorable overhead efficiency variance of 1,638. So, ito po yung ating alternative three-way variance. And again, ang total niya is the same, no? 405 favorable overhead variance.